From the world of entertainment, controversial Nigerian singer Abibu Kikiola, popularly known as Portable, has been granted bail after his court appearance in Ogun State. Portable, also known for his hit song Zazuze, was arraigned before the Isabo Magistrate Court in Abeokuta on February 20, 2025. The singer faced 5-count charges, including conspiracy, assault, and wielding dangerous weapons. After pleading not guilty, Portable was granted bail set at 2 million naira with one shorty in like sum. The judge, however, imposed a strict condition restricting Portable from making any public statements or addressing the case on social media. In a viral video captured after the court proceedings, Portable was seen visibly distressed, sitting on the floor of the court premises before being helped into a vehicle by his legal team. His unusual outspoken nature was replaced by silence, an unusual reaction from the controversial artist. It's worth noting that Portable and 9 of his aides were charged after allegedly attacking town planning officers carrying out their officials' duties at the Adobe Bar. His legal counsel, Ayodele Oluwatoyin, pleaded for leniency, assuring the court that the singer had learned his lessons. However, the case has been adjourned to March 5, 2025, with a stern warning from the court that Portable must not interfere with the case or engage in any altercations. We will continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.